The SWINGO 2100 has a 22-inch cleaning path and a 23-inch total machine width, making it able to fit through most doorways. It takes two 11-inch pad drivers or brushes and has a 4-hour runtime. The rear-wheel drive prevents the machine from sliding in solution and climbs up inclined surfaces without issues. The SWINGO 2100 has a safe maximum sound level of 70 decibels. There is an adjustable seat with a seat switch to allow the operator to be in an active sitting position, which is ergonomically better. The footprint of the SWINGO 2100 is similar to a 20 to 22-inch walk-behind scrubber, though your productivity increases are double due to the larger solution tank and the fact that the operator is riding instead of walking. The SWINGO 2100 has intelligent features. It has automatic brush and pad mounting, automatically locks the squeegee assembly into place, slows down for safety while turning or reversing, squeegee slightly raises when going in reverse, brush pressure is self-adjusting and reads the contours of the floors, the deck won't move out until the machine starts to move, the body is designed for a tight turn radius that prevents tipping. There is an IntelliDose option and the IntelliTrail option. The TASKI scrubbers have 5 yellow maintenance points that need to be checked after each use: the brush assembly, the squeegee assembly, the gross debris filter, the solution filter, and the shutoff float. The serial number is located on the steering column. The battery compartment is located under the driver's seat hood and can be opened by turning the key. The machine takes 4 6-volt gel-sealed maintenance-free batteries. There is a fuse located on the battery cables. The USB and communication cable ports to connect to the service tool are located under the flap on the battery compartment cover. The accelerator pedal is on the operator's right side. There is a location for optional toolkits located on the back of the machine. Let's take a look at the control panel. The emergency stop button. To engage, press down on the button. To disengage, twist the button and it will pop back up. Solution supply buttons. The program button, which is a one-touch start and stop button. It will turn on all functions when starting, and when you're ready to stop, you push it again, and it will shut down all functions in sequential order, starting with the solution, brush deck, squeegee, and vacuum. The brush motor lower and raise button, vacuum motor button, the eco button. This button is a way to quiet the machine 10 decibels when around guests or during the day cleaning. LED work lights, LED warning lights, cleaning solution indicator. The display panel default mode shows the hour of use, and when you turn on the push the service buttons, it displays what service mode you are in. Service light, which turns on at 650 working hours. The service light can be reset by pressing the plus and minus solution dosing buttons until the service LED switches off. Battery indicator. Battery charging level indicator. The battery charge lights only illuminate when you use an onboard charger. The standard unit comes with an offboard charger. The horn. Slow approach button. Reverse button that beeps when pressed. Key switch. The lateral swing out button for the spring-loaded deck is designed for cleaning along a wall so you don't have to get the body of the machine too close. It also has an adjustable steering wheel. To adjust the steering wheel, unlock the lever and adjust to the desired position and then lock the lever again. Before operating the machine, unplug the machine from the charger and make sure that the brushes or pads and squeegee assembly are properly installed. Position the brushes or pads under the brush deck and press the brush drive on-off button. The brush unit will be lowered automatically and brushes or pads will be engaged and then stop. Swivel out the brush deck by pressing the lateral swiveling button and then turn the steering wheel. Squeeze the gray clips together to release the vacuum hose. Squeeze the metal silver clips together to release the squeegee assembly. Inspect the squeegee blades for any damage and make sure the blades and wheels are clean and check that the knobs are tight. Urethane blades are used since they last 30% longer than standard gum rubber, and the squeegee assembly is designed with no tool change knobs so you can rotate the blades 4 times without replacing or for eventual replacement. The squeegee blades can be flipped and rotated for 4-sided use. Position the squeegee assembly back under the squeegee holder. Reattach the vacuum hose. Press the vacuum button and the squeegee assembly will automatically lock into place. There is also a double scrub mode where the squeegee assembly is in a locked position. To lock and unlock this feature, you will need to use the lever with the knob to make the adjustments when the squeegee is lifted and lowered. Open the recovery tank lid and make sure the shutoff float and the gross debris filter is clear of any debris. Check the recovery tank drain hose to make sure the cap has a tight seal for suction. Open the solution tank lid and remove the dosing cup. The solution tank holds 20 gallons. Pull the filling hose out of the solution tank and connect it to a water tap, or use a hose directly into the tank and fill the tank with fresh water. You can also use the automatic fill if it is equipped on your machine. Fill the dosing cup with the appropriate product and pour into the solution tank. Put the solution tank lid back on the tank. The solution drain hose is also a sight hose with a float ball so the operator can see the amount of solution left in the tank. To begin operation, sit down on the seat and turn the key switch. Press the program button for a one-touch start that will turn on the solution, brush, and vacuum, or do the following manual controls. Press the solution on-off button and select the intended dosage level by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Under normal conditions, you will not go over level 2 for solution dosage. Press the brush drive on-off button and the brush unit will be lowered automatically. Press the vacuum motor on-off button and this will automatically lower the squeegee assembly. Press the accelerator pedal and the machine will start moving to begin the cleaning process. When the pedal is released, the machine will automatically decelerate until it stops. To end operation, turn off the solution button and drive a bit more. Then turn off the brushes and continue to drive a bit more to absorb the remaining drain water. Press the vacuum motor button to turn off the squeegee assembly and it will lift automatically. The vacuum motor will continue to suction for about 15 seconds to prevent dripping. When the cleaning is over, drive the machine to a location to empty the tanks. Empty the recovery tank by removing the drain water hose from the holder. Press the crushing point of the drain hose and pull the lid off the hose and drain the recovery tank. To drain the solution tank, remove the solution tank drain hose from the machine and take the cover off. Rinse the recovery and solution tanks thoroughly with clean water. Remove the gross debris filter from the recovery tank and empty it in the trash can and then rinse thoroughly. Remove the suction filter and wipe off dirt using a cloth or soft brush. Wipe down the recovery tank lid and make sure the press and gasket is secure. Leave the recovery tank open to let it out by turning the gross debris filter lid around so the dome part is facing towards the operator. Clean the solution filter by rinsing it thoroughly with clean water and put it back into the machine with the tray on the bottom. With the machine turned off, remove the brushes by pushing down on the foot lever and clean them under running water. To clean the squeegee assembly, turn the wheel to the left or counterclockwise all the way, then push the lateral swing out button to access the squeegee assembly best. Press the spring locks together and remove the suction hose and squeegee assembly. Rinse the squeegee with water and wipe down with a cloth. To reattach the squeegee assembly, reconnect the vacuum hose and line up the squeegee assembly, then press the vacuum button to lower the deck and lock the squeegee assembly into place. If you want to flush out the vacuum hose, make sure you are over a drain when running the water through the hose. Remember to always check the 5 yellow maintenance points at the end of each shift. The brush assembly, the squeegee assembly, the gross debris filter, the solution filter, and the shut-off float. To charge the machine, there is a flap on the battery compartment that is lifted and the plug is inserted. It is important to charge the batteries after full use and not multiple times during a shift. You will limit the life cycle of the batteries if they are not charged correctly. If you have to charge the batteries multiple times during a shift, then you may not have the right machine to fit your needs. You can find a ton of support material for TASKI equipment and all other brands of floor equipment by going to USACLEAN.com. For any immediate help with any floor equipment, always call 1-800-USACLEAN. Thanks for watching.